This isn't just a house. It's a nightmare frozen in stone, waiting for the brave. Look at these walls, built in ways that defy every rule of architecture and reason.
Even the ground around it whispers stories of chaos, decay, and mystery.
Inside, light dances strangely, as if unseen hands are guiding it. The trees themselves seem alive, reaching for the house as if in fear or reverence.
Every angle, every edge of this place was made to shock Thurford, and it succeeds. Step closer, and the shadows seem to move, as if watching your every move. Fog hides secrets, hiding shapes that your mind cannot fully grasp.
The size alone is intimidating. It feels like the house is alive, towering over you.
The tiniest details make the story more terrifying. Every broken object tells a tale.
Eyes that are not human, watching, waiting, unseen yet present.
Even the structure itself rebels against reality, bending and breaking the rules. Every step toward it makes your heart race. Fear grows with every inch. The air seems alive, every shadow hiding a story you can't ignore.
This house doesn't just exist. It dominates the land. The sky itself seems angry, as if warning you to stay away.
That door doesn't invite you. It dares you to enter. These walls have seen things. Secrets carved into silence. The inside feels endless, like it was built to trap more than just people.
Shadows here don't follow light. They follow something else. Faces in the fog, watching, waiting, never blinking. This house doesn't respect physics or reality. Something is awake inside, and it doesn't want to be alone. Every step inside feels like a step away from safety. The air moves, even when nothing should. No hands, yet the door still moves. The house becomes a giant under moonlight, watching everything below. The house almost feels alive, breathing, waiting.
This is not just a house. It's a warning carved into reality itself.